Another breaking news coming from the Middle East. The Islamic resistance in Iraq had struck again, claiming retaliation against Israeli positions in occupied territories. The group announced via its Telegram channel that it conducted a kamikaze drone attack on a vital target in the port city of al-Rashrash, also known as Elayat. In a statement, the coalition of anti-terror groups cited Israeli atrocities against Palestinian civilians, including women, children, and the elderly in Gaza, as the motive behind the attack. This latest strike follows a series of actions by the Iraqi resistance, including attacks on Israeli military bases and the Leviathan gas platform in the Mediterranean Sea. The coalition vows to continue these retaliatory measures in support of the people of Gaza. Since Israel's war on Gaza began on October 7th, the conflict has claimed the lives of nearly 35,000 Palestinians, predominantly women and children. Gaza has been subjected to relentless bombardment and a crippling siege, cutting off essential supplies to its 2 million inhabitants. The Iraqi resistance has not only targeted Israeli positions but also major American military bases in Syria and Iraq, denouncing US support for Israel's aggression against Gaza. The conflict escalated following Operation Al-Aqsa Storm, launched by Gaza's resistance fighters in retaliation against Israeli atrocities. As tensions continue in the region, the international community faces mounting pressure to intervene and resolve the crisis peacefully. But for now, the cycle of violence shows no signs of abating. That's all for now. Stay tuned with One India News for further updates on this developing story.